Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. It's your friendly neighborhood PM. Now, by this point, you probably don't need an intro, so let's just cut to the chase and get right into your top 3 points of the week. Kicking us off at number 3, it was inflation data, both with CPI and PPI. Now, headline inflation did come down a little bit as we saw lower prices in both food and energy, but we did see a slight acceleration in the core CPI numbers as shelter did accelerate in the past month. Now, in addition to that, we did see some surging in PPI numbers. So going forward, we could start to see more of a pronounced pass-through effect from the tariff policies that have been coming in as companies will look to try to protect their margins that much more and pass those costs on to consumers. At point number 2, it was Amazon with their new grocery delivery announcement. Now, Amazon came out and announced that they are going to roll out same-day grocery delivery across 2,300 cities nationwide by the end of the year. Now, this does include perishable items, so they have figured out a way to keep those perishable goods in their warehouses to deliver them same day, which is something they could not figure out before. But more or less, this is just the latest push of Amazon to try to get into that $1 trillion grocery market that has largely been dominated by Walmart, both shipping-wise and brick-and-mortar stores. As you probably recall, Amazon purchased Whole Foods stores. So this is, once again, another step by Amazon to try to get into that grocery service area. And if you like to get your groceries delivered now, you can probably do them same day. And finally, point number 1 this week, it was the announcement that the administration is potentially looking into buying a stake in Intel, the domestic semiconductor manufacturing company. Now, Intel has been a legacy semiconductor company dating back decades. They created the computer chip essentially as we see it today, but they have languished in recent years trying to get their manufacturing capacity up to snuff compared to the likes of Taiwan Semiconductor. Now, this is just the latest push by the government to try to expand domestic manufacturing, and this will further help build out Intel's latest hub in Ohio. Now, Intel did decline to comment, so we don't have anything structurally in place yet, but that is the rumor on the street. And as that develops, we will keep you posted here because that is a very broad and impactful decision that the government will be taking to take a private stake in that company. Now, that does it for your top 3 points this week. Next week, what are we checking out? Well, it's going to be more housing data that's going to be coming out, but put it on your radar. I will be out, so no video next week. But keep an eye on that housing data because I know that we've got a lot of motivated buyers and sellers out there right now, despite how high mortgage rates are. Now, once again, if you've got additional questions, please reach out to your financial advisor or dig into the written week in review. And if you do not have a financial advisor, please follow our link. We'll get you connected with somebody so you can ask some questions. But as always, like I always like to say, please go out, enjoy your weekend while the weather's still nice, and we will see you in 2 weeks at the same time. Thanks again. Bye.